Do you want to create product packaging designs and product images like this? If yes, then stay with me. Open Canva's homepage and click on Custom Size. Now write dimensions of the template and click on Create New Design. Now go to File, click on Settings and select Add Guides. Choose this and add this to your design. Let's jump to Elements and search for Tripping. Go to Graphics and let's choose this. Crop this image and place in the right corner. Increase the size and change the chocolate color to red. Now duplicate this design and adjust it. Again jump to Elements and search for Wave. Go to Graphics I'm choosing this one. Let's change the black color to red. Again go back to Elements and search for Strawberry Splashes. Go to Graphics and let's choose this. You can also choose free graphics. Now click on Text and add this text. Reduce the size and adjust here. Click on this text and write your own text. I am writing strawberry. Change the font color and make it slightly dark. And now it is looking more attractive. Again select this text and undo. Now click on this text and change the text. I am writing here fresh. Let's change font size. Now change font color. I am using this green color. Now I'm gonna change the background color. It is quite dark. Let's reduce the darkness. Once packaging design is ready, go to share option and download this template in PNG form. Again, jump to Canva's homepage and click on social media. Choose Instagram post, move to elements and search here red background. Click on these three lines and choose vertical. Now you can see all the background images are in vertical format. Now go to apps and search for Mockups. Click on this and here you can see various mockups. You can choose any mockup according to your design. I'm choosing this. Now go to uploads and upload the image that you have just created. Now drag this image on Mockup to adjust. Once again go to elements and search for strawberry with water splashes. Go to photos. Let's use this. Now reduce the background. And set the position back to the product. Now search for white shadow. Let's add shadow of this product. Simply duplicate and rotate it. Adjust here and reduce the transparency. This will create a shadow effect. Let's again jump to elements and search for strawberry. Go to graphics. Let's choose this. Adjust it on the left side. Go to edit. Click on this blur and make this object blur. Again go to Elements and search for strawberry leaves. Click on Edit. Go to Magic Studio and click on Magic Graph. Now click on the part that you want to grab. I'm choosing this leaf and grab.